wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bow sights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with a bubble level and second and third axis adjustment capabilities, the Archer Xtreme Rogue is a flexible model that's good for intermediate to advanced hunters and target shooters. It's built with micro knobs for making quick, small alterations. It comes with a 2-inch red sight ring, however some of the pins are dimmer than others, and the finish flakes off easily. At number 9, if money's tight or you're new to the sport of archery, you may want to start with the budget-friendly Topoint Essential. It's lightweight and easy to adjust, and the pins are nice and bright. You can get it in a 3 or 5 pin model. This one's ideal for a child's bow, but it doesn't come with any setup instructions, and the pins are too large for some users. Coming in at number 8 on our list, designed specifically for tree hunting, the Truglo pendulum features a swinging housing that automatically compensates for distances of up to 35 yards. The components move smoothly and quietly, making sure you don't scare off your prey. It's a wrapped fiber construction that locks in place for ground shooting. However, it performs poorly in freezing weather. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bow sights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Southland Archery Supply 5-pin is a versatile option that's suitable for both left and right-handed bows, meaning there's no need for difficult customization. It's affordable but still well built, having been CNC machined for precision. It's an aluminum construction with clear markings for windage, but the LED light breaks easily. Moving up our list to number 6. When calibrated properly, the Apex Gear Covert Pro can give even the most inexperienced shooter a boost in their accuracy and confidence. It houses just one aiming dot as opposed to being crowded with multiple pins, giving you good focus and clarity of view. It works with an Apex magnifying lens and offers one-handed adjustments. However, the included set screws are a bit too small. Halfway up our list at number 5. When it comes to value for the price, few models can compete with the Trophy Ridge Volt, which is surprisingly affordable given its quality. Offset mounting holes mean it's compatible with any bow, while 5 fiber optic pins remain bright in all settings. It features a soft touch ballistics coating and a rheostat light, but the wrench for adjustments is not included. At number 4, with a single pin and a harmonic stabilizer that suppresses vibrations and increases stability, the HHA Optimizer Lite has everything you need to get off the steadiest, most accurate shots. It also allows for tool-free adjustments, so you can pack light. It's an award-winning design with an easy-to-use yardage dial. However, it's not ideal for low-light conditions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Unlike the more common pin design used on other models, the Truglo Range Rover Pro has an illuminated green center dot that's less obtrusive and can offer improved long-range accuracy. It offers 11 brightness settings, so it's easy to see in any conditions. It includes pre-marked yardage tapes and is available in a 1 or 2 dot option, but it is hard to switch for left-handed use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bow sights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the IQ Micro is an advanced option boasting patented retina lock technology that can help improve muscle memory and consistency. In fact, if it doesn't result in more accurate shots and tighter groupings, the company will give you your money back. It's available in right and left-handed models and compensates for bow torque. It's suitable for beginners and experts. And taking the top spot on our list, the Trophy Ridge React Pro features technology to adjust all 5 pins to the optimal location with mathematical precision. You can make toolless windage and elevation corrections, and it allows third-axis adjustments for greater accuracy at severe angles. It offers 4 mounting positions and a glow-in-the-dark ring. It's available in 2 pin sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bow sights, or simply click beneath this video.